Hello everyone. This is in response to the Dell Alienware's R15, Aurora R15. It's a $5,000 computer. It has a 4090 NVIDIA GeForce 4090, an i9 1300K, 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. And no matter which game I play, it crashes. It is driving me absolutely insane. I decided to call factory technical support after trying every game I own and it crashes. You play Diablo 4, crashes, screen flickers, sometimes the system crashes, the whole system. You play Overwatch, same thing. You play Tom Clancy's Extraction, same thing. You play Modern Warfare, same thing. You play older games, same thing. I don't know what the problem is, but I can tell you that I've called technical support 9 times. 8 of those 9 times, they tried to reinstall the drivers from NVIDIA, from Dell, same thing. Out of those 9 times, we factory reinstalled the system at least 7 times. 1 time keeping the data, and 6 times erasing everything. Still same thing. 1 time, we even downloaded a fresh copy of Windows from the cloud. Same exact thing. We ran system diagnostics, pass. Ran full system diagnostics, pass. So, went through this with technical support so many times. Every time after like the second time, because I did buy the Dell Premium Support Plus, every time I'd ask them, is there any way you can just take this computer and you guys fix it? Because, I had already spent, 15 hours on the phone with Dell. Who can do that? Come on, this is ridiculous. When I first bought the system out of the box, I installed you'd update the drivers from Dell's website or whatever, and everything ran great. About 2 months ago, I've had it for 8 months, so after 6 months, I started having problems with the crashing and stuff, but I didn't think too much of it. I was like, maybe it's the game or maybe something else is going on. I never thought it was the computer. So I thought it was the game, so I contacted the publisher. I'm telling them, something wrong with the game. I'm doing all these searches and all this, and I'm coming up with nothing. They don't know what I'm talking about, right? They keep telling me, well, maybe update the drivers from your system, your body, just the normal stuff. They said there's no problem with the game. I do all that, still same problem. So then I say, well, maybe it's my internet or something. So I'm telling AT&T stuff, something maybe wrong with the internet. Do you see something wrong with my computer? Do you see something wrong with my connection? They say, no, everything is great. I do have another Dell computer that is about 3 years old. Runs the game perfectly fine. So I know it's not nothing there. I also have Alexas and laptops and stuff like that in my household. It's no problem. So the only conclusion I can draw is that it's the computer. Didn't want to believe that because the system cost me $5,300. Did not want to believe that. So anyway, after the ninth call, I tell the guy again, is there any way you can send somebody out here or come pick up the computer? Because I do have this warranty where supposedly they come to my house within, 24 hours or 48 hours or something like that to repair the computer. I've paid about almost $500 for this service. And they say, well, that Premium Support Plus is only if we know what part of this we need to replace. we don't know what's even wrong with the computer. So he says, you need to send it in to us. We agreed to take the computer back. So now you see the computer's in a box here. They sent me the box within 1 or 2 days. I got the box in the mail. Well, FedEx brought the box, and surprisingly, I put it in a box. Then I called the number back. They just brought the box today. Today is Tuesday. They just brought the box today. I called the number back after I get the computer back in the box, and the guy's coming back out to pick it up about 5 o'clock today. So we'll see. It's just, just not something you want to see happen. I guess they'll repair the computer. They told me that if something is broken, they'll replace the parts free of charge, which of course they would, because I have not even had the computer for 1 year. It's still under the manufacturer's warranty. But there is a known issue of this happening to this computer all over the internet. And I asked the Dell representative, was there an issue? And they said no, which could not possibly be true, because there's even a known issue on the Dell's own website from their forums. It's all over Reddit. Anyway, hopefully we get this resolved. I'll keep you guys updated. This is Red Glass. See you later. Bye.